Salad.
Hello, nandito tayo ngayon sa Apo. So, ito. So, mag-a-attend na naman tayo ng isa. So, again guys, welcome to our number 5 day of vlog guys. Okay? So, nandito tayo ngayon para mag-attend ngayon ng Simba guys. That's why I'm here. So, actually, last month ako dito guys. Since September pa siya last year. So, it's been October, November, December, February. 5 months guys, so hindi tayo nakakapag-visit dito. So now guys, I'm very grateful, my heart, I'm very happy because finally I'm here again. Okay,